Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma Alert. Today in this video we're going to see vacancies from Alchem. Sorry friends, we are making this video currently at 10:20 right now. So 10:20 p.m. So coming to the vacancy details, there is a walk-in interview on 6th June from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. from Alchem Laboratories at the venue Red Fox by Lemon Tree Hotels, Village Center opposite Ashiana, Vasundhara Nagar, UIT, Bhiwandi, Rajasthan. Bhiwadi. So requirements: production B Pharma or M Pharm, production ITA diploma, quality control B Pharma, MSc chemistry. Position or experience required: senior officer or executive 2 to 7 years, associate 2 to 7 years, senior officer or executive 2 to 7 years. Job location: Alchem Laboratories Limited, Baddi, Himachal Pradesh. Next vacancy is from Sri Krishna Pharmaceuticals. Job location: Nacharam, Hyderabad for QC OSD. They are looking for chemist, senior chemist, officer or executive 1 to 8 years in quality control OSD. If you are having B Pharma, BSc, MSc, you are eligible. So these are the key skills required which are mentioned here. So candidate must be from OSD industry. Matlab you should be from tablets manufacturing unit or oral solid doses form unit. Both are same. And coming to the next vacancy, Maitri Drugs Private Limited, they are hiring for production API available position. These are freshers opportunities. You need to scan this QR code for details and you can apply. The qualification: BSc and MSc, male candidates only. Up to 5 years can also apply for executive roles. And coming to the detail, this is on 3rd June, Wednesday. Benefits are mentioned here, and the venue Maitri Drugs Private Limited, Bantapalli, Sangareddy, Telangana. And next opportunity is from Cadilla. They are hiring for production injectables department OSD, technical assistant or operators, compression granulation coating, 0 to 2 years, department OSD, technical supervisor, 0 to 2 years, central packing OSD, 0 to 2 years, packing OSD, 0 to 2 years. So you can see the qualification: ITA diploma, BSc, MSc, B Pharma can apply. For engineering also vacancy is available. So look at it. This is on 7th June, Sunday. Coming to the next opportunity, which is from Kohans. This is a walk-in interview at Ankleshwar for QC department, 3 to 6 years, BSc or MSc. Interview timing June 2. Documents required are mentioned here. Interview location: Kohans Life Sciences Limited, Ankleshwar, Bharuch, Gujarat. So, guys, please do utilize all these opportunities. I know most of you are watching the cricket at this moment. Kohli is hitting the hard ground. Sorry, he is hitting the ground hard. So I know you might not be watching this. You can watch this later also, but don't miss these opportunities. And entertainment is important, and our life is also very important. So please do have a look at these opportunities and don't miss. In Sun Pharma also there are vacancies. So this is a walk-in interview on 7th June, Sunday, 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Job location: Sun Pharma Laboratories. Experience 2 to 10 years. OSD production, warehouse, QC, QA, engineering department. So B Pharma, B Tech, B Diploma, BSc, MSc, IT Diploma can apply. Next, Global Calcium, they are hiring for executive officer QC, officer ETP, research associate R&D, executive officer production, officer packing. For packing, freshers are eligible, and production also freshers are eligible. Next, Bharat Parentals Limited, they are having vacancies, single vacancy in each department for operators and for staff opportunity also. Purchase, production injection, production planning, and inventory control. Next opportunity is from Intas. They are hiring for quality control micro department, MSc or B Pharma, and quality assurance qualification. For qualification department, MSc or B Pharma, 3 to 7 years, engineering 4 to 10 years, and quality control officer or senior officer executive, MSc or B Pharma, and quality assurance stability sample management, MSc or B Pharma, 3 to 7 years, shift working. 6th June. This is on 6th June, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Intas Pharmaceuticals, Pharma Edge, Sarkej Bawla, National Highway. Next is Sun Pharma. There are freshers opportunity tomorrow, but those who are nearby, you can utilize the opportunity at Halol. Job location: interview location is Sun Pharmaceutical Industry Limited, Halol District, Panchamahal. So freshers are eligible MSc microchemistry, diploma pharmacy, diploma mechanical and electrical. And similar opportunity is there on 5th June, but this is for experienced candidates in QC, B Pharma or MSc 2 to 7 years, analysis of raw materials, finished product and stability. So next vacancy, East African, India, overseas. So they are having few vacancies. Look at it. So these are the current opportunities. So